I am going to show you some great fabrics. So tonight we have a new YouTube going up and it's on ruffles for spring ruffles, and what to do with them, how to use them. They're just fun. It's just going to be fun. I hope you like it. But so I thought I'd put up some fabrics that would be perfect for ruffles, because what you need when you're doing a ruffle is you really need both sides of the fabric to be the same, both sides to be usable, or you need to at least like both sides. So these are all that way. You can use them for ruffles. This first one, this orange, is really beautiful for spring. It's perfect. It's light. It's bright. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's $10.99. $10.99. All of these fabrics are $10.99 for the next day or so. This is a beautiful plum color. And that beautiful 100% cotton, also stretch in both directions. Look at the density and the drape. It's just wonderful. And then a really pretty light blue. This is a cotton poly blend. Isn't that lovely? Look at the drape on that. It's just perfect. Stretch in both directions also. Great for ruffles. And then we have this is almost all cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it, but you can see, again, both sides are great for ruffles. It would be really good. It'd have a little bit, stand out a little bit. Again, $10.99. This is so good looking. Stretch in both directions also. Then we have like a hot pink. They're gorgeous. Stretch in both directions. Great drape. Oh my goodness gracious. Great drape. And then I thought this might be fun. A little bit of silver. You'd be pretty with like a white shell underneath, so it's real summery. And then a little ruffle out of that, it would be perfect. Has stretch in one direction. It's a cotton poly. But again, they're all $10.99 for today and tomorrow, next couple days. So the goal is to have happy, roughly sewing from Silhouette Patterns.